AEV, Aboitiz Equity Ventures. Good stock to include in our watch list, currently above our moving averages. And plot tayo ng box to determine our immediate support and resistance. We use this swing low, then dito lang swing high na gagamitin natin. Immediate support natin dito sa low ng box at around 27.32, and immediate resistance natin itong top ng box around 33.94. Breakout ng taas nitong box natin may give us a good opportunity to enter the stocks. Then set our stop loss below our 20-day MA.